Hey there, riders! Welcome to my channel. I'm Wild Rider, where we usually discuss motorcycle and motorcycle-related content. But today, that's not going to happen. In fact, what we're going to discuss is a video in which I wanted to make, and, well, here it is. We're going to talk about the Rider Actors Guild strike, and how we can benefit from it. You see, the writers and actors are on strike right now. Better pay, they want better conditions on set, and they want to be protected from AI currently and AI in the future. Great! All for that. But the problem is that means that the current seasons that are going to be coming up in September, October, whatever you want to call it, won't be available until about possibly maybe January of 2024. What are we going to do?
I want my MTV!
I want my MTV.
I want my MTV!
Current seasons that are going to be coming up in September, October, whatever you want to call it, won't be available until about possibly maybe January of 2024. What are we going to do? Well, that puts us down to YouTubers. That's right. Remember in the pandemic when that hit? Yeah. In which nothing new was created at all. You had companies like SNL scraping by just to try to make content, in which they would video record their people on a Zoom or something like that, and then go from there. In which they would do stand-up comedy, that type of thing, in front of a video or something like that. Do little skits, that type of thing. Dress up, whatever you want to call it. That was okay, but what soared was YouTubers. YouTubers were able to bring around genuine content, non-improvised. Were able to sit back, alright, what type of content did I want to bring up? What don't I want to make it look like goofy? Do I want to make it look real? Or do I want to talk about what's going on? And during that time, YouTubers started seeing the spike in regards to content because YouTubers were bringing about new content. That being said, why can't we do that now? I mean, we're not part of the Actors or Writers Guild. We are pretty much freelancers. Freelancers that make our content, might be able to make about 6 months worth of content, if not more, to be able to do it in the space. We record everything. I know some people that are on Instagram and TikTok, they actually produce about 20 videos in a day. They change up their dress up, they change up their makeup, they keep doing, or 20 videos in a week, I would say. And then they release that throughout a certain stage. They go around, do it again. Take about a couple of weeks off, give themselves some time to think of some new content, then continue on. Why can't we do that? Why can't we put together videos that we could put out there? It's like, hey guys, watch our stuff, that type of stuff. We can do that. So this is pretty much a rally call in which we can benefit from this, just like we did during the beginning stages of the pandemic, because people envied us. We were out on our bikes, we were riding, we were doing the things in which people couldn't do. We were bringing in non-motorcycle people and eventually converting them to motorcycle people. They would buy bikes, they would ride the bikes, because they could get out, use that as an essential vehicle or a mode of transportation in order to be able to get food stuff, groceries, that type of thing. But we're not underneath that restriction anymore. So, what's stopping us from making other content? We don't have to do the sketch comedy stuff. I mean, I'm talking to you, Bikes, Beards, and Brewers. Love your stuff, by the way. Come up with more stuff like that. We could be like Shade Tree Surgeon, going around, grabbing bikes, fixing them up for the Forgotten Angels. Not really getting into too much detail on what he's really doing, but in the course of him riding his bike, him doing some work, he's taking you on that little journey of his life. and making good content out of it. We know some of the YouTubers are going to try to, well, continue on the same old, same old. Me, I'm myself, I'm still battling depression. I got a bunch of other crap going in my life. Don't be like me. Please, don't be like me. You don't want to be like me. But we can definitely benefit from this. So if you're a YouTuber out there, put together some content. Put together scripts. Put together something in which you can make and do like a follow the rules of 7-Eleven or 21. Some people don't follow that, but in the beginning I was told that that was the rules. 7-minute videos, 11-minute videos, pretty much what I try to do. I try to do the 7-Eleven or 21. 21, it has to be really engaging, or it's got to be one of those how-to videos. But like I said, let's try to make some great video out there. Let's try to get the... Let's fill that void of entertainment for people out there, so they have something to go back to while the actors and writers are on strike. But don't make it too good. That'll piss a lot of people off. You know that, right? I'm talking to the comedians out there that don't watch my videos. Yeah, that's right. I'm talking to you. You're making content that's pissing some people off. Yeah, you're doing sketches. You're part of the guild, but you're breaking the rules. Stop it! Anyways, that's my shit show right now. Like, comment, subscribe. As always, I'm Wild Rider. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next ride.